In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit your subscribed workshop items on Steam in just 5 minutes. If you're an avid gamer, you're probably already familiar with Steam and its vast community library offering a plethora of user-generated content through the workshop. However, managing these subscriptions can sometimes be tricky. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to access and edit your subscriptions effortlessly. First, the journey begins by opening your Steam application. Once the app is up and running, it's crucial to log into your account, so you'll want to locate the login button on the main interface and go ahead and give it a click. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted with a screen where you need to enter your account credentials. That's your account name and your password. To proceed, click the sign in button and you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage in no time. Now that you're logged in and staring at the bustling Steam homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar and head over to the Community tab. This section is the gateway to a multitude of user-generated content and communities. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu and click on Workshop. This is where all the amazing mods and content are curated by enthusiasts and creators alike. By this stage you've entered the workshop page. Here you want to delve into your personal collection, so look for your workshop files and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. You'll then see an option labelled subscribed items. Go ahead and click on that to reveal everything you've subscribed to over time. Now when it comes to managing these subscriptions, suppose you wish to pare down your list or perhaps unsubscribe from certain items. Each item in your list will have a subscribed button right next to it. By clicking on that button, you can easily unsubscribe and remove it from your collection. It's a neat and organised way to prune down on items you no longer need or wish to keep. Additionally, if you're someone who subscribes to a wide range of mods and content, workshop collections are an excellent planning tool. They allow you to save and organise your subscriptions efficiently. This way you can group your mods and files into collections, keeping your workshop experience seamless and orderly. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to find and edit your subscribed workshop items on Steam. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and can greatly enhance how you manage your subscriptions effectively. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.